What's up everyone? In this video, I'll walk you through how your business can start accepting cryptocurrency payments. I'll cover how to choose a crypto processing service, how to integrate it, and how it's generally used. So let's get right to it. First, let's discuss why crypto payments are a crucial and a trending topic. Cryptocurrency enables global transactions without restrictions or complications, making it ideal for businesses aiming to operate worldwide. The transaction fees for crypto payments are significantly lower than those of traditional payment methods. Also, crypto transactions are processed and settled much faster than traditional bank transfers, enhancing efficiency for both cross-border and online payments. Now, let's dive deeper into how to select the right crypto processing service. To accept cryptocurrency payments, you need a payment solution capable of processing those transactions. Such solutions are provided by crypto processing services. With many options available, it's essential to choose the one that best meets your needs. When selecting a crypto processing service, pay attention to key factors. Number one, the cryptocurrency support. The more currencies supported, the more flexibility your business offers to customers. Next, the ease of integration. Reliable services provide free integration, often supported by a dedicated team. Also, functionality. Look for services with comprehensive features, such as converting crypto to fiat, to ensure your operations are not limited. 0x Processing excels in all of these areas, and today I'll guide you through its features and integration process. Now, let's explore this amazing platform's functionality and features. Now, 0x Processing provides 5 distinct crypto payment solutions to cater to the needs of virtually any business. So, let's start with 0x Classic. Now, here you get fixed amount payments. The amount is controlled exclusively by you. You also get non-fixed amount payments, so customers can pay any amount above a set minimum that you set yourself. 3. You have a static wallet payments. A static wallet simplifies the payment process by providing a constant, unchanging address. And you also get custom payment form, allowing clients to create payment forms with data input with a link. Next, let's discuss static wallets. This unique offering simplifies payment by letting customers top up balance anytime without maximum limits. Now, another innovative feature is Web 3.0 payments. Now, this cutting-edge solution offers unparalleled speed, one-click payments, and transparent analytics, setting a new standard for payment systems. And also for subscription-based businesses, recurring payments automate the payment process, ensuring consistent revenue streams. Additionally, 0x Processing supports fund settlement for company accounts with SWIFT and SEPA. Now, let me tell you how to contact the 0x Processing service and start accepting payments in crypto. You need to go here from the homepage, which is 0xprocessing.com. You need to go to the contacts page. Just click on it. And if you scroll down a bit, there is a convenient form here on the site, which is filled out in a couple of clicks. You need to enter your first name, email address, company name, company website, additionally your phone number or your Instagram username, so that the managers can contact you. So let me add my name, my email address, and company name to show you how it's done. So just like that, fill in a few facts about your business and you're done. A 0x Processing manager will contact you within an hour. Now, if direct communication is easier and more convenient for you, message 0x Processing directly in private Telegram messages. And to do so, you need to go here to the bottom of the page. And here under Contact Us, you can reach them on Telegram. So if I click here, it'll open up a new tab, opening the 0x Processing Manager Telegram bot. So all I need to do is to click here on Start Bot. And once you start the bot, the personal manager will quickly get in touch with you. Alternatively, instead of going through the link here, you can simply type in t.me/oxprocessing_bot and it'll get you to the bot page. And now once you contact the manager or start the bot, what will happen next? The manager will help you connect the service and make the first transaction. And once connected, you'll gain access to a user-friendly dashboard displaying up-to-date transaction stats. You can create payment links immediately and start accepting crypto payments right away. Reliable technical support is always available to assist you. 0x Processing gives merchants access to over 55 cryptocurrencies, including stablecoins. This list is consistently being updated, with new coins becoming available. The good news is that at 0x Processing, you can offer cryptocurrency, which the service will add to the list of available. 0x Processing pushes the boundaries. With the service, you can withdraw money into fiat and not worry about its safety or volatility. And that is all for today. We've covered the steps to choose and connect a crypto processing service to your business. Now don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more insightful videos. See you in the next video.